Time to do a tune-up on the mower and do some maintenance. We will change the engine oil, the engine filter, the fuel filter, and also the air cleaner. I included some helpful links in the description below. Dirt and contamination can enter the engine when checking the oil level. So before we start, we clean around it. We park the machine safely on a level surface. Here's our drain pan, which will catch the oil once we remove the plug. We purchased a home maintenance kit, LG265, which had everything that we needed. I'll leave a link in the description. A foam pre-cleaner for the air filter, the air filter, the oil filter, two quarts of engine oil, and two spark plugs, which we aren't going to replace. The last item is the fuel filter. Here is the oil dipstick, the fuel filter, the oil drain plug, and the oil filter. Once we have the drain pan underneath the unit, we are ready to go. For the model Z540R, partially open drain valve, slowly loosen the dipstick cap to ensure oil flow control. Now we can open the oil drain valve cap completely. We are now able to remove the old filter. We put a light coat of fresh, clean oil on the new filter gasket and install it. We turn the oil filter to the right or clockwise until the rubber gasket connects to the filter base. Tighten the filter an additional 1/2 turn. After all the oil has drained, we reinstall the drain cap. It's now time to add fresh oil. After confirming that we have the correct oil level, we then remove the housing for the air cleaner and we work on replacing the filter. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos surrounding our John Deere Z540R. Thanks for watching.